Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Discovery D350 Metropolitan Edition, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint, with 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we can see the electrically deployable tow bar. As we enter beneath the powered gesture tailgate now, we can see the folding rear seats, as well as the load space cover. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside, as well as the rear pan roof. We have the light Oyster and Ebony Windsor leather seats with centre armrest, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate controls and power sockets. Entering now into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door guard, and as we turn in we can see the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, as well as the head-up display, and we have the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the controls for the heated and cooled front and rear seats. We have the 3D surround camera system with the towing assist view, and on the centre console we can see the climate controls, the wireless charging pad, and the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.